Welcome to another video of your channel HazloEasy. Today we will make the famous Dove of Peace. For this, we are going to use a white sheet of paper, which we are going to turn into a square. We have to mark very well this fold, with the nails on one side and the other, and then we make this little cut and stretch. We already have our square. We will continue making the video. If there is something special, we will comment it. This triangle, we make it smaller, taking this point to the other side. As you can see, we are going to have 2 points left. And we return to take the tip to the other end. On the other side, exactly the same. So we have a smaller triangle with 3 points on this side and 2 points on the other side. Now we fold this point upwards. Open and fold the fold inwards. On the other side, exactly the same. In this channel we have several playlists, among them origami and crafts for kids. Take a look. On the other side we have already done the same, and we have 3 points left on the back. The front part, now we are going to make the head. We undo the fold and we put it inside. We have the head done. Now of the 3 points that we had in the back, one is a wing, another is another wing, and another is the tail. The wing is very easy. You have to make only one fold. We only have the tail left. Once the first fold is done, we undo it and turn it flat. One side goes to one side and the other to the other. So we have our Dove of Peace finished. Take a look at these videos. If you liked it, please share and do not forget to subscribe too. Share and don't forget to subscribe to your channel HazloEasy. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.